Woo, hey everyone, this is Darren from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Bangkok, Thailand, guys. We got lots to talk about. Get ready, guys, get ready. We're going to be seeing a 60% pump coming in, and we got the Ethereum 2.0 merge, and this is a historical event. This is the first time it's happened in our lifetime. So guys, let's get into the content without any further delay. Let's get into it, guys. Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, and don't forget to give super chats and show some lovey love out there for the OG. So I really appreciate it. Let's get into the content right now. All right, good morning, good afternoon, welcome to the channel, guys. Don't forget to go back and watch all my other videos, guys. You're gonna love it. It's a great day here in Bangkok. It's sunny. It was raining most of last night, so it's a great time. It's Saturday here, Saturday morning here in Bangkok. Looks like we're gonna have a great day out here. So let's see what's going on. Let's absolutely see what's going on. We got the 60% pump that's going to be happening, and we're going to be talking about that. And so you guys have to buckle up and stay tuned for that. So we did see that the broader markets they pump like crazy last night. We saw the Nasdaq was up 2%. We saw the S&P was up as well, and we saw the Dow Jones was up as well. So things are looking pretty good from that perspective. Everything is looking pretty peachy keen out there. Also, this week was a good week for inflation numbers, but whether it can last is still a big question. So a lot of people are asking, are these inflation numbers, we did see the inflation numbers come down. Is this going to continue? We all know that, Jeremy Powell, the Fed, they're still going to be pretty hawkish out there about rate hikes. So we can anticipate more rate hikes out there. But overall, we're seeing that the crypto markets are looking pretty good. We saw that the S&P is up for the fourth straight week in a row. So things are looking pretty good. We did see that the S&P did blast off yesterday, hit about 44,280. So that is good news. And if the S&P and the broader markets also start to pump, that is going to be a telltale sign for the cryptocurrency, and we could see more upward pumpage, guys. So I mean, I'm still not convinced that we're back in a bull cycle, so just buckle up, be cautious out there. But so far so good. Things are looking pretty good this weekend. Like I said, the S&P is potentially setting up a bullish descending broadening a wedge, and like I said, if we can see the S&P, the Nasdaq, and the broader markets break out, then this will add fuel to the fire, and that will actually send the crypto markets up, Bitcoin markets up, the Dogecoin, the Shiba Inu up, and Ethereum. Remember, we got some huge news for Ethereum, guys, so we're going to have a deep dive into Ethereum. What does that mean to you? What does that mean to me? And, we could be potentially seeing a 60% pump incoming, guys. So also the DXY is going up. That is not good. This is one of the indicators, and it's often inverse indicator. When the DXY is going up, Bitcoin is going down. So overall, we want to have the DXY around about anywhere around this level, and this is good for crypto. This is good for Bitcoin, and this will aid in having Bitcoin absolutely go up without too much resistance. So the good news is, look at the fear and greed index right now. We're almost back into the greedy zone, and that is good. Remember, this is a contrarian indicator. What that means is, if we're still in the fear zone, this is a very good buying opportunity. If we're in the greed zone, this is where you should be selling. So we should start to see that the FOMO apes should start FOMOing pretty soon, and that is definitely going to be aiding cryptocurrency and everything going up. Let's take a look at a heat map right now. So if you take a look at a heat map, we're seeing that Bitcoin did recover a lot from yesterday's lows. Yesterday we touched around about 23,800. A lot of people kind of thinking that was it, we're going to see a collapse. I mean, even I thought that we were going to collapse further down, but so I was quite surprised, quite shocked that we're seeing a nice Bitcoin recovery right now, and a lot of that has been fueled by the broader markets absolutely coming back. So the CPI data that did come out has had a really positive effects. There's a lot of euphoria in the markets. There's a lot of a lot of people are upbeat. So this is really fueling the traders on Wall Street to start to buy back into a lot of positions. So that is pretty good. That is absolutely good. Let's take a look at what's going on with Ethereum right now. So right now we're seeing Ethereum is at 1965. That's a great day, guys. That's absolutely a great day. So we're seeing that the next stop for Ethereum is around about $2,000. So I believe that we're probably going to break out above $2,000 sometime this weekend. So that is looking pretty bullish. But here's something that you guys need to know. We have this really nice huge cup and handle pattern that is forming right here, guys. So this is a cup. You guys can see the cup, and we have the handle here. Let me just change this to a white color. So we have this really nice cup and handle pattern. So if you look at the neckline, the neckline is around about $1,800. So if you draw a straight line from the top of the neckline to the base of the cup here, you will see that this is going to be the absolute amplitude of the potential breakout. So let me just get that out of there. So let me just get my tool. So if you take a look at the breakout point here, you can see that we should be seeing, if you look at the neckline and we go up to the neckline, we should be seeing a nice breakout coming, and that should take us up to $2,500. So if you take a look at that, what is that in terms of percentage breakout? We should be seeing approximately around about 38% to 40% breakout, guys. So that is pretty cool, guys. So, you know, and if we go from the bottom and if we continue on to this point where we have the initiation of the breakout, and that would take us around about this, from this support line here, and we go all the way up here, that will take us, you know, from that perspective, that will take us all the way up. Let me get that out of there for you. That will take us all the way up to this level here, and that should take us to around about 60% breakout. So we could be seeing from this support to here around about a 60% breakout, guys. So that is pretty cool beans in-house. So we're expecting a huge breakout for Ethereum. We could be hitting $2,500, and I believe that absolutely 60% pump is definitely inevitable out there for Ethereum. So why do I think this is happening? Well, you know, one of the reasons I think it's happening is because, you know, Ethereum merge is a triple halving. And what do I mean by a triple halving? And this was shared by one of our members, so I think this is really cool beans. So, you know, right now we're seeing, you know, the reasons that the merge is being referred to as a triple halving is that one, the key point is inflation. The inflation drops by 10x from 4.3 per year to 0.4%. So Ethereum absolutely becomes deflationary out there. Less miners to sell comparatively, almost zero electricity use, meaning no need to sell to cover costs. So that's going to put a less selling pressure because miners don't need to sell Ethereum to cover electrical costs. And also too, we have the EIP 1559 burning mechanism as well. So what does that mean? So you know, actually it reduces supply at a very high traffic time. So as we have higher traffic and higher activity for Ethereum, you're going to see more and more Ethereum is being burned. So merge narrative likely to increase Ethereum traffic and could initiate a burning, guys, a huge burning. And three, supply shock due to ETH staking in the Ethereum 2.0 contract not becoming immediately available. So this is something new, that when the merge happens and the beacon chain goes live, that all of the Ethereum that was staked on the beacon chain is not going to go live. So, you know, I thought everything was going to go live, but that's not true. The contract is not becoming immediately available. Ethereum 2.0 staking won't begin to unlock for at least another 6 months. And this is going to be staged in, and this is very good because this is really protecting the blockchain, because if everybody could just withdraw, this could have a lot of downward sell pressure and could tankety-tank Ethereum. So estimated 6 months after merge, and even then there will be a queue. So there's going to be a staged queue where people can actually unlock their staked Ethereum. If everybody wanted to unlock their staking straight away, it's estimated that the queue would take 1.5 years for this to actually happen. Many believe that this could be the catalyst for a bull market, guys. So this is amazing. So, you know, we are cautious with the thought process, and you know, we are cautious and the thought process, and are all too aware that the only thing that truly matters right now is the macroeconomic environment. So bull markets can't happen in global macroeconomic bear market. So we're seeing that the macroeconomics right now is dictating that there's a bear market. We're seeing that inflation globally it's like a pandemic. So, you know, we had the corona, now we've got inflation pandemic, and there's no jabs that you can take to cure that. So, however, the merge narrative, triple halving, sustainability and scalability soon, should it tie in with the kinder macro conditions, could spark. And you know, what I'm saying is that when the Ethereum 2.0, the merge happens, and if the macroeconomic environment start to flip to being more positive and less inflationary, this could actually stimulate a huge bull run, and this could be the catalyst that could send all the markets uppity up, guys. So that is amazing, guys. So, you know, 60% pump is definitely incoming for Ethereum pretty soon, guys. And if Ethereum starts pumping, we could absolutely see all of the crypto markets going uppity up like crazy. This is a huge catalyst. Absolutely a huge catalyst. You're gonna love it. And I was at the Ethereum org website, and I saw this, and this is use adapt. And if you look at this, this is actually the Dogecoin in a spacesuit. So this is more evidence out there that Vitalik, once we get the Ethereum 2.0, and that's scheduled for September 15th and 16th, we could be seeing that the Ethereum Doge bridge could be coming sooner than later, because remember, Vitalik is still part of the Dogecoin Foundation, and he's actively participating in the Dogecoin. And Vitalik is a huge Dogecoin maxi out there, so that is pretty good. So this is kind of some evidence out there that definitely Dogecoin is definitely going to be part of the ecosystem. All we're waiting for is the Ethereum bridge. So if you guys love it and I love it, smash the likes, boop the likes. Remember, none of this is financial advice. Let's get it, guys. So in case you're wondering what's happening, basically we're going to have two blockchains running at the same time. We got proof of work, proof of stake, and what happens is they're going to be merging, guys. And when this merges, basically we're going to have the proof of stake. So there's going to be two forks. There's going to be the proof of work fork, which is the old fork, and then there's a new fork, and then there's going to be the merge of those two forks together. So if you're holding Ethereum, Ethereum, and you haven't staked it in a beacon chain, you don't have to do anything. Just sit tight, relax, and everything will get converted in the background for you. So you're not going to have to do any conversion or anything like that. Just relax, sit back, and wait for Ethereum to absolutely explode, guys. Absolutely going to explode to the moon. So the merge is coming, guys, and it looks like the mainnet merge will land on 19th of 15, guys. So that is cool, guys. That is cool. We could expect a huge price pump, a 60% price pump for Ethereum when this happens, guys. So buckle up. We got this huge, beautiful cup and handle that is forming right now for Ethereum, and we could be seeing that this is a very bullish pattern. We could see some spike, guys. So that is cool beans. What else is coming in? Looks like the RSI has broken out, and we're seeing that there's going to be two substantial targets for Bitcoin. The first target is 28,000. The next target is 30,000. I have been telling you this for a very long time, but I think that we're seeing a very bullish target for Bitcoin, and our next target is going to be about around about here. So that is going to be our soft target, guys. So let me just paint that in for you. That is definitely going to be our target around about $28,000. So that is going to be cool beans in the house. So that's kind of like our soft target, followed by our $30,000 target. And I think we're going to get there sooner than later. You can see that Bitcoin right now is trading at 24,578. Yesterday we did have a low. We did have a low of 23,600. So I did dollar cost average. I did buy some Bitcoin yesterday, 23,800. So I'm quite happy about my purchase, and I'm up right now. So that is cool beans right now. So we do have this soft target of around about $25,000. We have got rejected once, twice. So we need to break past that. So and if we can break past that and flip that resistance to support, then our absolute next target is going to be 26,000, and then our next hard target is going to be 28,000 for Bitcoin. So I'm pretty bullish about that. You should be pretty bullish. So mark that in your calendars. 28,000, 30,000 should be our next targets incoming, guys. So do you think Bitcoin this weekend will dump or pump, guys, or do nothing? So I believe that we're definitely going to be pumping, guys, and I think we're going to have a huge, beautiful weekend that's going to be coming out. And I think that hopefully we can definitely be getting over $26,000 for Bitcoin. But right now our big resistance level for Bitcoin is around about $25,000. We need to really punch through that. So let's keep on keeping on. What else is coming in? It looks like Ethereum is already back over the 20-week EMA, and you can see here that Ethereum is over the 20-day week EMA, but Bitcoin is still having a hard time getting itself above the 10-day week EMA. So we do need Bitcoin to get above 26,000 to confirm the 10-week EMA. So that is going to be cool, and I think we're definitely going to hit that. So it looks like things are looking pretty bullish overall for the crypto market. So Bitcoin is hitting oversold levels. It's reversing. We do not necessarily expect a double bottom supply retest like in 2015. So you can see here. Let me zoom this up. So you can see here, if you look at the 2015 oscillator here, we can see that we had a double bottom. We see that the RSI is oversold. This doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to have a double bottom yet, but it looks like we're getting pretty close to flipping to bullish. We're not quite there yet, guys and gals. So buckle up, hold on for that. Don't put all your dry powder in the markets. Slowly ladder your DCA buys in over the next couple of days. Be cautious out there. Don't put all your dry powder in at one time. And if you are in huge profits, absolutely take your profits. That is so important. This is also in Ukraine and Russia are the top two countries in Bitcoin and crypto ownership worldwide by share of population. So this is huge. Ukraine and Russia are still building substantial positions for the cryptocurrency and Bitcoin out there. So that is bullish, guys. What else is coming in? Guys, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter. I would really appreciate it. We got 4,629 followers, guys. Get it. Don't forget to DM me if you got any questions, guys. I'm often on there, so that is a cool beans in the house. So looks like Bitcoin bottom confirmed. Historically, it took 8 weeks. Average for the bottom was for the long MACD cross. So we're seeing a MACD cross right now. So, you know, it looks like the bottom has been in since June. So hopefully this is a reversal that we're looking for. So let's get it, guys. Don't forget to secure your crypto on a nano ledger. Remember, if you don't own the keys, you don't own the crypto. So make sure you guys take precautions, secure your crypto. Definitely when we're in a bear cycle, you definitely want to be more cautious with your crypto, and definitely you want to be taking more precautions and secure your crypto. So that's what you want to do. Bitcoin is looking pretty good on the daily. Bitcoin is looking pretty good on the weekly. We've got definitely going to be closing a week, this weekly candle in the greeny, and we've got about 1 day and 22 hours left. So that's looking pretty bullish, guys. Looking fantastic. We're looking pretty peachy keen. So the Doja Woja right now is exploding, and Doge is at 0.730. And you know, based on this, if Bitcoin can keep pumping, we could expect us hitting 0.75. We're still waiting for the holy grail of 8 cents. So if we can get up to 8 cents, and you know, we do have this 0.68 support level that is acting as huge support, and things are looking pretty good for the Dogecoin right now. So I'm pretty bullish about that. Let's see who's in the money. We got 55% of the Dogecoin holders in the money and 43% out. Let's see if we take a look at the Shiba Inu right now. Shiba Inu is also pumping pretty good as well. It's at 12.7 in the house, and I expect that we could be hitting 13 definitely quite soon, guys. So hopefully by the time you're watching this, we can see some more pumpage, guys. Let's take a look at leverage apes in the house. Let me give this a minty refresh out there. Don't trust the internet out here. It's kind of wacky out there. So it looks like we have about $204 million worth of wreckage out there, and that's about 50,000 traders, and we're seeing that on the hourly, mainly long. But it's kind of interesting that Bitcoin is pumping. Here we go. See, the internet's so slow, guys. So we're seeing that on the hourly. We're still seeing a lot of shorts, so that is pretty good. 83% shorts, guys. Absolutely 83% shorts. So that is hugely bullish, and that is why Bitcoin is just pumping like mad right now. Let's take a look at the total market cap right now. So the total market cap, let me give this a minty refresh out there. So hopefully you guys have a good weekend plan with the kids, with the family. It is a great time to be alive, guys and gals. So we're seeing right now the market cap is at 1.19 trillion, and the volume's at 43.82, and the Bitcoin dollars is at 39.30. And if we take a look at the coinage in house, let me give this a minty refresh, guys. I'm not trusting the data that I'm seeing right here. Come on, internet. There we go. Here, slow internet out here. So we're seeing right now that the crypto markets are pumping, guys. We're seeing greeny everywhere. You know, everything is just looking fantastic. Bitcoin is up. Ethereum is on fire. You know, 76%, guys. That is cool. We're seeing the ADA is at 54 cents. We're seeing Solana is up. We're seeing DOT is up. We're seeing Doge is up. Everything is looking pretty. We're seeing Automatic, Shiba Inu is up. So everything is looking good, fine, and dandy out there, guys and gals. So that's going to bring this video to a close. Don't forget to go down there, check out all my links, guys. We got the Dogecoin tippy jar. We got all sorts of cool stuff. Get the nano ledger. Absolutely get it. You want to do it, become a Patreon member. And guys and gals, don't forget to get the merch. Gear up with the OG gear, guys. So I just want to say, be well, be blessed, have a fantastic day. It is going to be a huge pump it up weekend, guys. So let's get it. I love you guys. See you in the next one. Peace out.